Ferraris in their traditional red, man. Like, you just kind of have to love it. But I will tell you this is a wrap. This is not the original color. You can actually see the seams. And also because I know the owner of the car and I've worked on it before, you can see the little details of the white still in there, but they did a pretty good job on making it seamless. It looks like a paint job. But Ferrari 488, if you have a Misfire, just like my friend Chris does, give us a call. A lot of these parts will interchange with Gran Turismo and other items. So like instead of going to the dealers and paying $62 per spark plug, go ahead and you input that NGK number and you can get it for maybe 20 bucks a pop or just under that. And it's the same exact plug, same thing, just the box is a little bit different. That's it. Now, ignition coils for these at the dealer, they run about 300, 350, but if you know how to cross it over to the correct Bosch number, which is a different number, but same sequence, you're gonna save yourself over 150 bucks. Same exact coil. Now, give us a call at the dealer. This I know is over $5,000. They don't necessarily include any of that in what they call the maintenance